Alright, now I'm going to go over touch-up. What I got here is a standard Sharpie pen. It's the only pen that I know that'll do this, other than maybe one made specifically for etching. But it leaves a plastic film, which, as far as I've seen, doesn't seem to etch off at all with my etchant. So that's how you touch up a board. I'm going to go over it again with a microscope and just make sure. Okay, so I found the trace at the top of the board here to be a little thin, so I touched that up and I placed some vias, and so I filled those in because I don't have to be exactly where I positioned them. So I filled that in, patched the hole, and I found paper residue right up in here and right up in here. So I'm going to go and clean that again. I may have to touch up the paper or the Sharpie again, because rubbing on Sharpie will take it off. Now I could see that paper as it dried because it turned white. So that's what you should be looking for. Looks like the paper's off. Now, that spot, it's a little flaw in the material, but it may be oxidized and it won't etch right. So I'm going to scratch it and make sure that there's a break. So I'm going to pull out a straight pin for sewing, and I'm just going to go in there and scratch it. And there we have it. A board ready for etching. Now this backside of the board is not required. I have jumpers that establish those same traces here, 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 and here. So I just wanted to see if I could do it. And some people may find it difficult to do, because you do have to drill and hit bigger pads on the other side, so it shouldn't be a problem. If I were to have this done professionally, of course I would have vias through, because the professionals know what they're doing. This is an amateur board. So there you have it. This is H2O2 PWM version 2.0.1. This is H2O2 from H2O signing off.